I'm going to review the best bike lock in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best products. And from a list of the best products available, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. These include reviews from other customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video. At number 1, Sigtuna Bike Lock. This bike lock is one that can be said to be ideal for whatever security needs you might have. You do not need to be a security expert to make use of it, as there are no difficulties attached to using it. Furthermore, once bought, you will not have a need to buy a replacement for a very long time. This is because it is long-lasting. This bike lock is sturdy, and with this feature comes some weight. If you purchase it and consider it too heavy, you can always return it and get a refund of 100%. At number 2, Kryptonite Evolution. With a warranty that lasts a lifetime, this bike lock is one you can trust to keep your bike safe regardless of where it is packed. Once your bike is secured with this device, you can be confident that leverage attacks and bolt cutters will be unable to remove your bike from where it is kept. This bike lock comes with anti-rotation characteristics. This implies that twist and single cut patterns will be non-effective in stilling your bike. Although a great bike lock, there are sometimes difficulties with actually making use of this lock. At number 3, Kryptonite New York Noose. Produced from hardened manganese steel, this device is one you can depend on for a great degree of strength. This device is not just effective in keeping your bike safe from thieves, you do not have to worry about moving it from place to place, as it is not too bulky. This bike lock features an anti-pull and anti-drill system. This implies that regardless of the system of theft, you can trust it to keep your bike safe. Although effective, this bike lock is not very durable.